Art is kind of spiritual. It's kind of brings out what's inside of you that you can't really show. These, I'll keep them.
I'm not trying to make stained glass artists. I love that they are learning how to build. They are transferring their math skills, their measuring. I love teaching girls to solder.
When I first found out about the stained glass class was actually my friend Octavia was in the class, and it really inspired me and I got into it and it's very therapeutic for me.
It's something that I'd never really heard of before. I knew it was like a thing in churches. When I started doing it more, it's not just in churches. You can do pretty much a lot of things with glass.
This is my first ever hobby that I have enjoyed in so long. I also have a little workshop at home because I really fell in love with this hobby. I really want to see how I can improve at home and just in a couple months of how I'll improve it's here too.
This is more like hands-on instead of like steady hand. You can mess up and still be good at it. It's more hands-on. I love that. I can build and see what I'm doing.
I've had several students say that they come to school to do stained glass. Obviously they're doing more than stained glass, but if that gets them here, if that makes their experience here more enjoyable, if it's a way for them to express themselves, then that's a great way to have spent my day.
It's the biggest one that I've made. It's about 29 pieces. It took me about nearly a week. It was made for like my parents. They love flowers and my dad likes the color, just like all the colors that I've made for him. He really likes the stained glass and I'm just like very proud that he likes it.
You get to create your own art with it, create your own designs and stuff. I created some designs for my mom and my sister and family members, so it's very special. It really gives them something really unique that they can relate with and create memories with people and stuff and relate it back to school and stuff. So because Aaron's giving us this amazing opportunity.